Hi, in this video I will show you the 4 legs robot. It's a small robot for assists on the battlefield. It assists the soldiers, carries weapons, or just shoots with the guns. So on the head you can attach the guns here on the sides. I'm show you kind of something like this. Rearticulated legs. This model is available on my Patreon for June release. So as you can see, it's not a big size. Also, the head is detachable. Here is also energy packs on the back, also detachable, and in the front. Also here. It's a little bit hard. You can attach the holder for cargo. Also, it can carry soldiers on the battlefield as an emergency, as you can see here. Let's detach. So you can attach here some different options. Also there's available small optics. Also the front and the back cage. Here, as I remember, it's a small. Let's attach again the head. On the top also you can attach the gun, like this. So that's it. Subscribe to my Patreon, share, like, subscribe the video, and follow for more news and updates. Thanks.